In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save OneNote to OneDrive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to confirm your notes are safely stored in the cloud so they sync across your devices without you having to do anything extra. Start by opening your web browser and searching for the Microsoft account sign-in page. Choose the official Microsoft site from the results. This is the quickest way to get to your dashboard where all your Microsoft 365 apps live. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. Use your usual email and password for Microsoft services and keep your credentials private as you type them. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that step as well. Once you're signed in, you're ready to access OneNote from the web. At the top left corner of the page, look for the grid of 9 dots. This is the app launcher. Click it to open the menu of Microsoft apps available to you. From the app list, click OneNote. If you don't see it right away, select all apps or scroll to find it. This opens OneNote for the web, which is directly connected to your cloud storage. Inside OneNote, you'll see your notebooks. Click the notebook, the notes you want to check. Opening the specific notebook ensures you're looking at the correct file and its storage details. With the notebook open, find the small arrow next to the notebook's name near the top of the window. Click that arrow to expand the notebook menu or settings. This is where OneNote shows key details about the notebook you're currently viewing. You'll now see information about the notebook, including its location. When you create notes while signed in with this Microsoft account, OneNote automatically saves them to OneDrive. In this panel, you should see that the location points to OneDrive, confirming that the notebook is stored in the cloud. That means your changes are saved continuously and will sync to other devices where you're signed in with the same account. There's no need to manually export or upload anything. Saving to OneDrive happens behind the scenes. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If a notebook doesn't appear here, make sure you're signed in with the same Microsoft account you used to create it. If you're working offline, edits will queue and sync once you're back online. For consistent syncing, use the same account across your devices, and that's it. You've confirmed your OneNote notebook is saved to OneDrive and ready to sync anywhere you go.